Hello and welcome to another video review. Most people don't have the time to dedicate to reading countless reviews. That's where we come in. We spent weeks researching the most popular products of this year. In doing so, we read hundreds of reviews and consulted with experts. Working alongside the most knowledgeable people in the industry, we rated each piece of equipment based on its selection of features, ease of use, value for the money, and the reputation of its manufacturer. Let's take a look at the products that impressed us the most.
The 3120B hardwired photoelectric and ionization smoke alarm provides double protection for both flaming and smoldering fires. The 3120B smoke detector is a state-of-the-art alarm with battery backup that features dual photoelectric and ionization smoke sensing technologies and comes with two latching features. The alarm latch easily identifies the initiating alarm even after the smoke has cleared, and the low battery latch identifies which unit is in the low battery condition by blinking the green power light. This alarm also has two silence features, including a low battery silence which temporarily silences the low battery chirp for up to 8 hours, and an alarm silence which silences the alarm for several minutes. The 3120B features an 85 decibel horn, single button test and silence, an easy access battery drawer, and a dust cover. The installation is quick, easy, and cost-effective. Feel safe and secure today with the First Alert 3120B hardwired photoelectric and ionization smoke alarm with battery.
Have you ever wondered, is that thing even working? Oh, it just blinked. Red. Is that bad? Should I be worried? Why do we put up with this? Meet Nest Protect. It's designed with advanced technology to sense smoke and carbon monoxide. Can give you an early warning before an alarm.
Heads up, there's smoke in the kitchen.
And if you know everything's okay, you don't have to run around trying to quiet it down. Just hush it from your phone.
Smoke alarm silenced.
Nest Protect tells you where the danger is, so you know what to do and where to go.
Emergency. There's carbon monoxide in the living room. Move to fresh air.
And it can send an alert, so you know what's going on, even if you're not home.
The carbon monoxide alarm is over.
At night, it lights your way and shows you it's tested its batteries and everything's okay, so everyone can sleep safe and sound. Nest Protect. It's time to know more and worry less.